Now we will learn one more important tool, that is nothing but a format painter. For example, for a copy, cut, copy, paste, you already know that one, shortcuts. For example, you would like to copy this particular entry. If you like to copy this particular entry, Control C for copy, select, Control C for copy, Control V for a paste, Control V for a paste, or you can use the copy paste option here itself. Okay, copy, then select where you like to paste, paste. Now it is selected. You can cut by using a this one, or Control X for a cut. Okay, Control X for a cut. Okay, selected, the data will be get cut. For example, here like this, Control X. Okay, like this we can do Control X. We can use a Control X to cut, Control C for copy, and Control V for a paste. Okay, then format painter is that. Format painter is nothing but when you are writing something here. Okay, you have been written some value. Okay, and here also you return some value. Okay, but it is also when you are written here, it taken a same format. But when you return here, it is not taking a same format, right? We need a, but this format should be similar. For example, this format only need to apply to this particular cell. At that particular time, what we can do, select this cell from which cell you would like to copy the format. Select that particular cell, copy that format here, format painter. Okay, format painter, then apply that format to the cell which one you would like to apply, okay. Whenever you write something here, okay, and you would like to apply same format to this one, select format painter, apply. Okay, this way we can apply the format, any format, from anywhere to any of the cell. Okay, these are the very important one, format painter and cut, copy, paste.